Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing HydroChill. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a little fan. I'm just going to say right off the bat that this product is just a fan, and it's not possible for something so small like this to cool an entire room. So as you can see, this is what it looks like on their website, and their website isn't very well made, and actually the product is a bit expensive for what it provides since it's just a fan. So if you're wondering if this product is legit or any good, we have it here on Trustpilot, and see that they're rated 2.6 out of 5 stars, which is actually poor. So as you can see, 1 star, read their ratings, it's a clue, but by the time Trustpilot is read, it's too late. Why do I fall for this rubbish? It's a fan cooler, lies, scam. Low quality product that doesn't work. I have noticed afterwards the claims made in their YouTube adverts is utter nonsense. So please guys, do not buy this with the hopes of actually cooling an entire room just by putting ice on top of it. It's not how that works, since if the ice is on top, how will it absorb the ice? Do you get my point? So if the ice is on top and the fan blows air from behind, how can the ice affect the coolness of the air, since it's on top and not behind the fan itself? So yeah, that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.